Madison. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look, and I'm going to be doing an ombre to burgundy, this gold color, like this gold sparkle. So yeah, let's get started. So first I'm going to get this primer. So next I'm going to go in with the Clinique BB cream. So after that, since I already have my brows done, I'm going to highlight my brow. So next I'm going to get the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to conceal under my eyes, my T-zone or my forehead, and my chin, and then that's it. Okay, so after that, I'm going to set it with some powder. I'm using the Patrick Star MAC powder. So after that, you're going to get your eyeshadow primer, and you're going to put this on your eyelids. After that, I'm going to go in with the Kylie Jenner, the Burgundy palette. And then I'm going to get this color, and I'm going to put that in the outer edges. Oh gosh. Okay. So now I'm gonna get this steel and stuff, this glitter. I'm gonna put this in. So first I got this color, and I put it in the top to blend everything out, and then I got this color in the middle to blend the two colors together, and I really like how it turned out. So now I'm gonna use this blush by Too Faced. Next, I'm going to be using the Bombshell highlighter. So after that, I'm going to go in with this bronzer stick from LA Colors. That's it. Okay, but next I'm going to use this lipstick from L'Oreal Paris, and it's in Bruges Envy. And it's a matte lipstick. I'm gonna clean that one. So yeah. So now I'm gonna get some eyelashes on and I'll be right back. So here is the completed look, and it looks like a sunset almost, so I'm gonna name it like a sunset eye look. And I really like how it turned out with the glitter and everything, and the eyelashes. It's made it so much better. And yeah. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!